Hi, we're part of the Next Generation group here at the Seed Industry Event 2018. Here we've been learning about a lot of different topics concerning the potato seed industry, one of these topics being the Safe Haven scheme.
We were surprised about the lack of knowledge within the industry, and we did a straw poll which suggested that 50% of the people did not know about the scheme.
With uncertainty surrounding seed potato supply with Brexit, we feel that UK seed will be really important, and Safe Haven is going to play a crucial part in this. So we thought we'd make a short video explaining to people a bit about the scheme and the benefits of being part of it.
The Safe Haven scheme, Seed Safe Haven scheme, that we're part of for our seed sourcing, and the importance of the scheme to maintaining the plant health of the seed potato industry in the UK, and in particular the high grade seed that we have based in Scotland. The Safe Haven scheme is implemented across 100% of the McCain supply base. We have 50 contract seed growers who grow on contract for McCain and are all required to be signed up to the Seed Safe Haven scheme. The scheme membership gives us 100% confidence in the provenance and the health of the seed potato crop, and ensures that we keep out any of the dangerous and damaging notifiable diseases that exist elsewhere in Europe.
We've been McCain seed growers since they came to Scotland in 1987, and we're 100% seed growers. When the Safe Haven scheme came out, I may remind me what year that was, but we were one of the first growers to enter into the Safe Haven scheme. Obviously important for McCain to have good quality seed for the ware growers in the south, to keep the guys in the factory happy. It's quite a rigorous scheme that we go through in conjunction with the Red Tractor Assured Produce scheme and our own SQC cereal scheme. So it's all done in one audit, but it's virtually a whole day to do the three schemes together, so it's quite rigorous. I think it's helped with box usage, obviously, because we're 100% McCain growers. We're not using other boxes or anything like that, so the health status is always pretty good, and can only recommend that growers use Safe Haven seed when they can.
Hi there, my name is John Ellicott. I think Safe Haven's a very good idea. It's a voluntary scheme and it ensures high health out with, and extra out with the scheme rules.